English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 2. Responses to being complimented. I like your outfit. How would you reply? What would a native say? Thanks. Thanks. Your English is great. What's a more natural reply? What would people usually say? Thanks, I appreciate it. Thanks, I appreciate it. Your hairstyle looks great. What would friends say? What do people actually say? Thanks. Thanks. Your presentation was awesome. How could you keep it short? How would a native put it? Glad you liked it. Glad you liked it. Your cooking was delicious. What would you say here? What's the natural response? Thank you. Thank you. You did a great job today. What's the most common reply? In everyday conversation? Thanks. Thanks. You've got great taste. What's a smooth response? How would a native answer? That's nice of you. That's nice of you. That was very kind of you. What if it's casual? What do people usually say? Thanks. Thanks. You worked really hard. What's a natural one-liner? What would you say in English? I did my best. I did my best. I love your bag. Here's another common reply. What would you say? Thanks, I love it too. Thanks, I love it too. That's a great idea. What's a short reply? How would a native respond? Thanks. Thanks. You look great today. What's a friendly reply? What do people actually say? Thanks, that means a lot. Thanks, that means a lot. That's a great photo. What's a nice response? How would you say it? Thanks, I worked hard on it. Thanks, I worked hard on it. You're so funny. Ready for one more? What's a native-like reply? Thanks, I appreciate that. Thanks, I appreciate that. You were amazing today. What's a great way to finish? Ready for the last one? That means a lot. That means a lot. Thanks. Thanks. I did my best. I did my best. Thanks, I love it too. Thanks, I love it too. Thanks. Thanks. Thanks, that means a lot. Thanks, that means a lot. Thanks, I worked hard on it. Thanks, I worked hard on it. Thanks, I appreciate that. Thanks, I appreciate that. That means a lot. That means a lot. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.